Hello, this is the NBC Black CN287, and today I am going to be reviewing the Vivatar DVR 426 HD. And this is a very bad camera. It uses SD, so doesn't use. I can't show you the memory card that I'm recording on because I'm actually using it to record. So yeah, it's mini rather than this. 2 megabytes. This one has 16 megabytes. This is only 2. Well, I don't think it'll take up a lot because the quality is really bad. Okay, it has this thing on the side. It'll just come out there. AV port to plug in TV. Low resolution camera. 4 times digital zoom. Here are the batteries. Okay, let's turn it on. The reason why it's so cheap, it only costs like $20, I think, 40 or something. Like that. If you want to see the camera I'm using now, this is how bad it is. There. Oh my gosh, look at this low quality. Look how, oh my gosh. It's even worse on, well, it's pretty much the same thing. It can take video and picture. Let's see. The other thing that I don't like about it, but I don't really need it. Wait, where is it? Mode. Where is it? Wait, is it menu? Oh yeah, it's menu. This one is HD, and this one, if you choose this one, you can take more pictures, this in videos, and this is higher resolution. And I don't know why, but this says yeah, this is French. Yep. It only has English and French. There's not a lot of people in French here. Why don't you choose Spanish? Because more people speak Spanish in this country than French, I think. Also, you can zoom. This one has 4. The camera I'm using now has 4. What is it called? 4 bars of battery. This one only has 3. And this is another worst part about this camera. It uses actual batteries, so you can't recharge them. What I'm using now can recharge. It does come with a wrist strap, and this one doesn't, so I think that's the only thing that's better. But this one has like a place to put your hand. If you want me to show it, you have to see it on the screen. Or I could just show it to you in here. Let's do this. Turn it around. See, this is hard. And another thing, when you try to take a picture, like a picture of yourself, it's hard. It's for some reason, like if you put it to the left, it's just hard to take a picture of yourself. Another good thing about this is this hinge here. So you can see what you're taking a picture of if you're like if you're taking a picture of yourself, or if you just want to do it like that, then it would be fine. There was another one of these, but it had a tinier screen. I think it was like this screen, but it was more like this type of camera where you like put your hand in and go over. Yeah, but I didn't want that camera, so yeah. It has a tripod hole and stuff. It's not really anything. Wait, it comes with black and white instructions, of course, because this is so cheap. The thing that is very old about this thing. It uses it's cheap and old. It uses it's mono sound, and it uses the AV back in the 1980s, I think. And I think the only reason why they use that in this thing is because it's so cheap. The OK button is to take a picture. This is to, what the heck? For some reason you can look at this. Facebook, oh my gosh, wait. Can you post it to YouTube? Oh, I know. It is it doesn't go, see? Click up one, down one. It takes like 1 second to go up or something. Yeah. There's MySpace, Flickr, and stuff like that. The mode is just if you want to take a pictures, view pictures and stuff. I mean, well, I get why this is so bad. It costs like $40. A camera that is pretty decent costs like $199 or $200, or the ones that are very great are more like $500, like an iPad. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe for more videos. I'll see you all later. Bye!